Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I guess you're probably wondering why I'm starting a video looking here at my empty table. I'm going to be doing a new tablescape. Just wanted to try something different. I told you guys at some point I'd get a little bored with the gold and the ivory. And because I just love changing things. I mean, who doesn't, right? So my idea was to try and mix. I do still love my gold, but if you've looked around my house, if you've seen any of my tour videos, you probably know that I love mixing my metals. I love gold, but I love silver too. So I thought, why not try and mix the gold and silver and see what it would look like as a tablescape. So that's what we're going to be doing today. First, I'll clean off this table, and I'll pause for a minute while I do that, and then we'll get started. Okay, so the table's clean, and I've already put on the first piece. I'll get a little closer so you can see it. This is a white and silver runner. There's the tassels. I bought this runner in 3 different colors. It was only they were only $8.99 a piece. I have a blue and silver runner in my bedroom. I also have this runner in like an ivory and gold. And since we're mixing the silver and gold for this tablescape, I thought I'd try it here and see what it looks like. So the next thing I'm going to do is start layering out my centerpiece. And I think I'm going to do that by starting with a mirror base, and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so that's going to be the base for my centerpiece. That's a mirror that I found at one of the Michael's or one of the stores like that. And I think it was only like $7.99. These actually they're just the right size to use as placemats too. Like I said, really inexpensive. It was either Michael's or one of those, not Hobby Lobby, but one of the stores like it. So the next thing I'm going to do is add another layer to this mirror, and I'm going to put some lights on the mirror so that we can add a little bling. I'll do that next. Okay, so I've got my centerpiece base all put together. What I did is I put string lights. They're battery-powered string lights. They take 3 AA batteries. I got them from Ross. I think they were maybe $5, $6 at the most. The idea is to just put them on there to make it look like you just randomly put it on the table. So the next thing I'm going to do is add my centerpiece. And we'll see how that comes out. I'm going to try and do something a little different instead of the normal blinged out kind of vase that I would normally use. Okay, so I'm happy with the way my centerpiece has come together. I'll pan up a little bit so you can see. What I did here is I have a tall Eiffel Tower vase. And I filled it with some artificial greenery and just let it drape over the top of the vase to add a little pop of gold, because remember, this is going to be all about bringing together the gold. I'll get a little closer so that you can see it. This is about layering gold and silver. So what I did is take a gold rimmed plate and kind of place it on top of the mirror base. And then I put my centerpiece on top of that. And I've added 2 silver martini glasses. And inside of each one, just to add a little glow, additional glow, I put 2 of those battery-powered votives inside of each. So I think that's it for my centerpiece. Now what I want to do is try and find some placemats that will work with this. So let me pause this for a second and I'll go see what I can come up with. Alrighty, I found some placemats that I like. So these placemats, I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but the placemats, there's 4 square placemats. They're silver, very inexpensive placemats. I think I got them at either Ross or Burlington, 4 for $5.99. I'll get a little closer so you can see them. And I layered the ones on the side, since I'm not using chargers, with these placemats. They're silver as well, just a slight different hue. And I think I got those at Walmart, and they're probably like $1.99 a piece. So now that we have our placemats, I'm going to see what I can come up with for plates. We'll get this table setting started. All right, I found some nice white plates. I'll show you these. Bring them a little closer. There you go. I got these plates. I want to say it was Burlington. I know they were on sale. So all 4 were like $3.99. So what I also did was layer the plates, because we're doing the silver and the gold layering. And I layered the plates with my gold saucers. And these were on the, and here I still have the tag on them. These were $3.99 at Marshall's. $3.99 a piece at Marshall's. And all right. So now I'm going to find, I think I need to put maybe some bowls and some other, maybe some cups or something. So let me go see what I can find, and we'll add another layer. Okay, so what I did is I found bowls. The bowls they are white. I'll show you here. Here's the bowls. And they've got a gold rim on there. I don't know if you can see that, if that shows up on camera. And on the sides, I have plain white cups. And so that I'm not too matchy-matchy. On the other sides, I have white cups with a gold rim. They match the bowls. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add another little pop of gold here. And we'll put on the glassware. And I think we're getting close here. So let's see. Okay, I think this table setting or tablescape is starting to come together. So what I'm using here, these napkins, these are the same napkins that I used. Let me put them here. These are the same napkins that I was using in my ivory and gold place setting. I'll hold them a little closer so you can see. They've got a nice little sparkle. So that's just, they're sort of gold, I guess. Gold with a little sparkle. And the napkin holders, I'll hold them up close. These were actually, I found these at, I think it was the at-home store. And really they were supposed to be a part of like a wedding table setting or something. And I made them into napkin rings because I like the bling. All right. You'll also notice I added a little pop of gold. Got a gold spoon there in each cup. And this is almost done. I think the only thing, and I also put, these are coasters that I used in my other setting. I'll show you. So I use these coasters. I think they look nice because they're ivory, gold, white. They have all and a little bit of silver. So they play off of the ivory, gold, silver, scheme that we're going with here. So let me get some glassware on the table, and we'll see how that looks. All right, so we've got our Z Gallery inspired glasses. I just love these glasses. I bought them at, I think, well, let's see. These came from, I think these I got from Ross. $4.99 a piece. These came from Home Goods, and they were also $4.99 a piece. And I'm planning to order them. I know they'll be a little bit more expensive, well, a lot more expensive, but I'm going to order the blue and gold ones. I saw them on Z Gallery's website. I absolutely love them. And blues, I love blue. And I'm sure I'll be able to use them in a tablescape at some point. But, so I think this is looking pretty nice, guys. I'm liking the way the ivory, the white rather, and the gold and the silver and all of it kind of plays off of each other. Looks good. So the only thing I think I need to do is add maybe some pillows to these chairs, and I think we'll be done. So let's see if I can find some pillows that will pull this look together. Alrighty, I think I'm done. So I'll pan around so you can see what I did. I used those white fluffy pillows there in the side chairs, and the silver pillows, I'm going to try to get a little closer. Actually, I picked these up at Ross. They were featured recently in in the Shop With Me video that I did on my other channel. But I think they're beautiful. I'll hold them a little closer. Couldn't pass them up. And I'm glad I picked them up because I think they look good with this tablescape. So I'll pan around, guys, and let you see how this came together. Let's get a little closer. You'll see how the gold and the silver play off of each other. And I really was gonna use all silver initially when I start thinking about this tablescape, but I'm glad I didn't do that. I think mixing the silver and gold gives it a lot more richness, a lot more depth. It's still got my glam look that I love. Get a little closer on this side. And we'll pan up again. I like the height of the centerpiece. And I think it goes with everything that I've got already in the curio there, because I do have silver and gold in the curio as well. So there we go. That's my take on the silver and gold tablescape. And I think it came out pretty nice. I like it. Tell me what you think. I welcome your comments. And if you think I should try something different, you let me know. But Anyway, that's all I've got for today, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. I thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing that. Hit the notifications button so that you'll be updated when new videos are updated, or uploaded rather. And again, have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.